In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook too many requests. Error 429. If you're seeing the too many requests or error 429 message in Outlook on the web, it usually means the service has rate limited your activity for a short time. This often happens when multiple sign-in attempts, rapid page actions, or background services hit Microsoft's servers too quickly. The good news is that it's typically temporary and easy to fix. First, give it a moment and try again. Waiting a few minutes allows the server-side limit to reset. When you do retry, avoid rapidly clicking or submitting forms. If you're stuck on the sign-in screen, a simple page refresh can help. Many users report that refreshing 5 to 7 times breaks the loop and lets the page load correctly. It sounds too easy, but when the bottleneck is on the server side, a handful of refreshes can land your request at the right moment without overloading it further. If waiting and refreshing don't do the trick, clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove stale tokens or corrupted session data. In Chrome, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files, and Confirm. Keep in mind this will sign you out of most websites, so be ready to log back in afterward. Once cleared, close and reopen your browser, then try signing in to Outlook again. You can also target just the Microsoft-related data. In your browser's site data settings, search for entries like Microsoft, Outlook, or Live.com, and delete those specific items. This approach is helpful if you don't want to clear everything and lose sessions for unrelated sites. After removing those entries, restart the browser and attempt to access Outlook once more. If the issue persists, there are a few supporting checks that can help. Refresh the page a few more times, then temporarily disable browser extensions that interact with pages, such as ad blockers, privacy tools, or script managers, since they can interfere with sign-in flows. If you know how, flush your device's DNS cache to remove outdated lookups that may be pointing your browser to an old endpoint. Finally, consider whether any third-party apps or services connected to your Microsoft account are sending frequent requests in the background. Pausing them briefly can reduce the load. To recap, start by waiting and refreshing. Then clear cache and cookies or specific Outlook-related site data. With these steps, you'll typically clear the 429 error and get back into Outlook smoothly.